Hi everyone, in today's video I would like to show you how to fix your iPhone's volume button does not working with a simple trick. Please note that this might not be your solution, so let's begin. First go to settings, then tap sound and haptics. It's in the second group of settings. Now please turn on change with buttons and that will solve your problem. Now test your volume button is working or not. To make sure the setting is really changed, please restart your phone and check again. So that's it guys. If this video helped you, please don't forget to subscribe and thanks for watching.